How to insert video in PowerPoint. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your PowerPoint and open a blank presentation. After that, go to Insert. And now, go to Video over here in this section on your right hand side. Then you will have to select either online video or video from your PC. So let me select video from my PC, then simply insert any video that you want, just like this. So that's it. That's how you do it. You can also format it the way you want, add borders and many more. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.